all it is really is you've got this black plastic from here and you've got this one here. They need to both come off. You'll get this silver one out here, then you'll get a couple screws for this. Take it out, and then we'll sit on the bench and I'll show you how to replace the screen. So yeah, just get underneath, try and be gentle. As I said, you can also do it with your hands. You know, just pull on it, it won't break. It's just literally clips that hold these together. So just get underneath it and then try and pull it. Try and do it one at a time so you don't break the clips. So back to it. So we got 1 and 2 screws. They are a 7mm, so you will need a 7mm for this as well. Force it out. Oops. Yeah, just do that. And then you got 2 on the back here. So you got 1, 2. It's just small clips. If you turn, you can turn it around. It's not going to cause any issues. But you got a clip here that you push, and it'll come out. You got a clip right there. Push. And it comes out, and you're left with this. And we're going to take this into the office. So all you're going to do is literally take all these screws out. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws to take out, and then put them to the side. So we'll just all it is you pluck this grey part, pull up like that. You can pull it out, pull the black part on this one, and you can kind of pull it out straight away. Yeah, sometimes I'll give it a little nudge. There you go, it should just fall out. So you've got this. This is the new screen, so you've got a little bracket that comes off first. And then you've got the screen. So the screen comes out, turn it around, push up here, and then you can kind of pull it out. And then again, same way, you just pull this down, it'll kind of slot in and it'll go down like that. That's all you've got. Then again, put your bracket back in just as is. You then put the motherboard up, and you'll have slots that it goes into. And then thirdly, just put this part in. If you want to make your life easier, I would kind of like bring it up like that and then slide it in. You do have like a little plastic part over here that you can kind of, it helps you push down and close. Same for this one, you can see this black part here. Make sure this is opened just like that. Push it in, as you know, just be careful, you don't need too much force, it should just slide in. Push it down. So again, this is the screen that we've repaired. Just going to put it inside. 1, 2, make sure it's working. Here you go. So we'll just turn it on. Voila, screen's working. There's no issues at all with it. So we'll just put it together. We will test it in a minute, make sure everything else is working as it should. So that kind of clicks in. It should click in on this side. And then literally this kind of just goes in, and you've got some clips here as well. So it should not fall off. And this is what it should look like. So you got a clip here and 2 clips here that should hold it in. And then I just literally put it in like that. Hold it properly, and then I just push on it, make sure it clicks everywhere. That's it. But just to reaffirm, you need a 7mm and a T10 Torx, and that's all you need to get this done. And then a couple of plastic trim removals.